At a CAGR of 18%, the aviation industry in India is growing at the fastest pace in the world. The aviation industry promises a varied day-to-day working life, good pay and excellent employee benefit. Sensing the exorbitant demand in the field, Chandigarh University, QS-ranked university, offers a 3-year Bachelor of Science degree in Airlines and Airport Management, designed to educate aviation aspirants in the best possible way so they can come out as the best groomed, knowledgeable, well-spoken and confident professionals. With a bachelor's degree in Airline and Airport Management, will be able to develop a strong foundation with adaptability to a range of careers. The program is approved by National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology. You can find employment opportunities in Begin your career with the best in the field of airline and airport management. Enroll today at Chandigarh University,